All right, guys, welcome to our live trading session. My name is Marcel. We are going to talk about today about some points in our entry strategy and how to get all those entries in the way we do on a daily basis. Um, Now we're looking at the XRU USD. We are called this trade out yesterday to our mastermind members, and we ended up with 1,130 pips. But what was actually the confirmation to take this trade? So we saw the last few days, gold was running from 1,700 to 1,453 and making its low of last week. And it started to consolidate. So without any consolidation, there is no market. Because why? The question is simple. Markets, or better said, the market makers are accumulating orders in these areas. And these are the zones where most of the retail traders are thinking, oh, all right, we should go look furthermore for a sale. At this point, our market makers coming down to this point over a few days. I think this was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 days until yesterday. This is Monday, where they begin to start the new trend and stop all these retail traders from last week out. Our confirmation for this was right about here. We are using these EMAs, 48, 69, and the 480 for our perfect, I would say, entries. Little of drawdown. Welcome. So what we are looking for is always with those DMAs after a consolidation, or better said, after an information like we saw it right about here. Let me make this clear for you. So in this zone, right about here, this would be an information, a valid information at the high of the week, of the new week, where retail traders are stopped out and trapped. So if you see those setups, you can always be sure there's something bigger happening. So, and if we look at those DMAs right about here, which are crossovers happening and a retest, which is for us always a sell confirmation, and you always see what is happening after these confirmations are happening. You ended up with a good profit. Let us take a look at USD CHF, which was also called out yesterday to our mastermind group members, which is still, I think, valid for a sell after a little bit of pullback. Let me make this clear. I'm expecting it to go at least here before it's again a sell to this zone. The high of the week was already made yesterday on Friday. Monday, market makers come back to the previous high of the day, but didn't break it. And we saw here another confirmation of the DMA crossover, which was right about here, and these retest. If we are using these DMAs, we are always looking for furthermore confirmation, which is in this way, I would say, an accumulation above or beyond, above or below these DMAs, or better said DMAs, depending on which one you are using. I'm using this one like you see here, and it's working pretty good. It's always working pretty good. This trade is still valid. You just, if you want to get in, I would wait until this zone here is hit again. So the high of this day, right about here. before looking for furthermore downwards movement. So let me know in the chat room if you are interested in some setups we should talk about. I'm always open for this.
Let's have a look at USD CAD.
Yes.
The most interesting right now.
Sure. All right. I would love to see USD CAD on this zone again. They already worked off yesterday's high, but didn't break it, so it could be a valid sell to this zone here. Wait a moment, let me make this a little more. So this one would be our stop hunt zone. This one here would be our take profit zone, but I will wait for it at the moment. What do you think?
I think it will go to the 1.39, 1.4 thousand 400 and level, and it will pull back since CAD is weak and oil is deemed to fall again more.
Okay.
So it means that fundamentally it will go back up. Right now DXY has pulled back in, so it means like the dollar has lost some value. That's why gold rose up. So there is a sell, like CAD became stronger, but CAD is actually not stronger. Hence, as soon as the dollar will get the what it is called the US coronavirus bill will get passed, that will be near future. So the market makers will push their this. If you see that there is a structure on the left as well on 1.40 and 1.39, there is a structure on the left side. So yeah, there is an M structure. So this is a very powerful structure where from where it will bounce back and go make a bigger higher high. Canadian economy is crashing. There is no support from the Bank of Canada like the Feds. So Canadian dollar will be a lot more weaker, and it will be a huge rally of USD CAD by 1.39 to 1.40.
Yes, I also think this. Especially most of the retail traders are always thinking with those vectors, which free hits to the trend line, so this would be a valid buy for them if this happens. Let's use, let's say, a bit complicated to make this clear right now. So those retail traders have what they got, but I think market makers are going furthermore down right now. So this zone is probably will be hit by today or tomorrow, I think. So, but for a safety trade, I would wait until this high is tested again, or maybe with a fake breakout induced. Yeah. Let's see what will happen. But you could be right, definitely.
Yeah, let's see. Let's hope for the best.
Yeah,
actually, why I think market makers are playing, because CAD is not strong. Then how come on earth USD CAD is selling? Hence, it's a BS trade that retail traders are catching up on USD CAD sell. While it's not a sell at the moment. That's what I think.
Yeah, I would wait.
It has not finished.
Until tomorrow at least.
Yeah.
So, Tuesday or Wednesday are most of the time midweek reversal days.
Yeah.
I don't see any clear confirmation right now for both rays. So let us wait and let's see what happens. But I would definitely go in if it goes to reach this zone here again. So yeah, let's wait for it to happen.
Yeah. And then we can check USD JPY maybe.
Yes.
Yeah. Favorite. It's reaching the sell zone now.
Interesting. But I think it's a buy until
it's a buy
here. Yes.
Yeah, until here 112. So we'll wait for the it.
Yeah, definitely. Yes, in my opinion. Bro, I can't hear you right now.
You cannot hear me?
Yes, yes, now.
No, I was silent.
Yeah.
Actually, I was listening to you.
Okay, all right. Let us have a look on USD JPY. This is a kind of consolidation area.
Yeah. So it means it's waiting either for up movement or but it will be an up movement then a
Yes,
down movement.
it will be an up movement, in my
Because
opinion.
fundamentally JPY is not strong like USD is right now.
I mean, look at this. They are doing the same. They are copying this system, you know? What was happening here?
Will happen again.
Yes, yes. In my opinion, definitely. So I would wait until we reach this zone at 112.180, or better said, 200. Yes, 112.200. So maybe there is a stop hunt happening right now, and then maybe forming an information before they are going to drop again, which could be happening on Friday, I think, or maybe
Yeah.
soon.
Yeah, soon. It might be sooner.
Yes, yes, yes.
By sooner, I believe so. In maybe before the market closes today. Let's see.
But let us take this on our watch list. Definitely.
Yeah.
All right, let us go to the next one.
Let's have a GBP USD. Yes. Still doing the ping
This
pong.
looks like gold a little bit. They
Yeah,
are
it will.
accumulating orders right about here in this zone where we are.
Yeah. But its oscillation is like the range is very big. Sell and buy.
Yeah,
Just like gold.
yes. But we already had this DMA crossover, so I'm waiting for a retest, maybe about here in the zone before I'm going to buy.
Okay. So EMA crossover already happened. So there were 3 tests, 1, 2, 3, and this validates our accumulation range.
Yes, yes.
Hence, I think it will in the coming weeks. It might sprout back to 1.28 or 1.30. It will try to rush up. Since it has been down for a long while now.
Definitely.
Dollar weakness will support GBP now.
So it's just, I think they will trap again. So in this zone before, maybe tomorrow. I think tomorrow will be a good day to see GBP USD rising.
Yeah.
So something like this.
Yeah, something like this.
Yes. So first take profit would be here.
Okay.
But I wouldn't enter right now. Just wait for the retest of the DMA.
For the pullback, yeah.
Yeah.
We'll buy on the pullback.
Yes. Exactly.
Is your gold spot working on?
Please.
Because is your gold spot working? Because mine right now is 1599. It's just now accumulation. I think it will go even higher.
Yes.
To 1800 or something.
Yeah. I think we will also see it rising to 1070, 1700. So again, so we already had this accumulation area. We had this breakout of the retail sellers trend. Prices accumulating at these DMAs, which we see here with those retests. And maybe because session changeover is soon, there will be a little bit of consolidation before they are going to move again upwards.
Yeah. so so yeah.
But this trade was pretty nice.
One thing. Yeah, I think it's going to happen.
Yeah,
It will be an amazing buy.
definitely. Mm, let us look what's happening with the news this week. All right.
There's so many news. This is not news. This is noise. So much
Unnecessary.
PMI data and everything. Everything is red. You know.
All right. Wednesday and Thursday. Friday are no news. Okay. But JVP USD is coming.
Oh.
So, in my opinion, this will be happening by tomorrow or Thursday with those reversals. So they are accumulating now until these high impact news are coming out.
Hmm.
What I
And it
found.
can. I think it will sell first and then it will go to a buy. It has.
So the
It,
last induction.
the last induction. First, two have happened. The third one is remaining. It's always 3x induction.
This was a beauty of trade today or yesterday. I think we bought right about here. Yes.
Yeah.
Accumulation, and I think this will also happen on GBP USD,
Yeah, the same way.
Yes.
1, 2, 3, 4 accumulations have happened. Touchdown. So this will CHF will also lose its value, and it will also go up.
Yeah, USDG CHF is going to move again downwards. This is like GBP USD a few weeks ago, when it was accumulating. Wait a moment, I would show to you in this zone here. So if you look at USD CHF, you're seeing nearly the same setup with this crossover, which will happen, I think, today or tomorrow. So, and the retest. So we are going to sell again if this is happening right now. And I think I draw all these take profit zones out on USD CHF. Yes, this is very possible. So,
Yeah.
wait a moment.
Oh, USD CHF is already on top, so it might come down now.
We're about 620, 650 pips, 15 pips.
It is
This
very
is what I'm
probable.
expecting.
It is a very probable trade.
Yes.
Let's see.
And I think this is valid.
Right now or
Right now and later too. I would love to see it a little bit of higher in this zone here. But we also could go in right now, but our stop loss would be much higher.
yeah, so I don't no need
Yes.
for that. Okay, we can check silver as well. What silver is doing?
Bro. Silver. Let us take a look at silver.
Silver has the same story as gold.
Yes. But it will go down.
I think it
At
is going
least
to fall.
to this area. So I wouldn't look now for a trade. Maybe later, but not now. In my eyes,
Yeah.
they are already formed the high of the day. They worked it off, trapped retail traders right about here with this little induction, which was happening here.
Hmm.
So, in my opinion, they are going to reverse it again. So, at least to the low of the day, or maybe at yesterday's low of the day.
Hmm.
Mm, yes, but let's wait, bro. Let's wait.
Yeah.
Let's see.
The, mo- the
But it
most
looks like,
probable,
yes, you're right. Definitely.
the most probable is the gold trade that is right now hanging by the collar,
Hmm.
and it's already pumped up too much, and they would want it to fall back to 1395
I
or
think
something.
it's too obvious to the retail traders. So what they are doing now is buying, and market makers are selling it right now. You know, when the
Yeah.
things or when the trend comes too obvious, that is the time where most of the traps are happening in the market. So like Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday induction, building a trend, an obvious trend to the for the retail traders, and then they are building a fake breakout and comes with an information or a wedge breakout or something like this, and then they are dropping against the retail herd. So this is what I was experienced the last few years.
Yeah. I have the similar, because according to my system, it has already got induction of sell from bigger traders.
Hmm.
So it's a sell right now, clear sell,
Yeah.
sell on a 5 minute, 15 minute, on a 30 minute, on a 1 hour, on a 4 hour candle.
Yes.
Even on technical analysis, it's sell, but everyone is buying it at the moment. So if they are buying, they have already fallen into trap, because it will fall back to at least 1550 today or tomorrow morning, and then from there it will be just elevated down to 1495 or 1482. Let's see, because it's just artificially pumped up spike. It's not really breakout. It's a dollar weakness that has pushed gold up.
It looks
That's
for
what.
me like an information right about here.
Yeah.
Yeah. Let's
It will
see.
be,
Let's see what will happen next time.
because they have already pushed too much. It is will be very it will
If
be
they need more
very
liquidity to move the market against or
yeah.
again.
They would need more liquidity. I think there will be a sell towards 1542 level. If you see the left side on the neck, go to 1542, and you will see that there was a consolidation on 1542 level. A bit of considered resistance at 1548 as well.
15?
Something 48 and 42, something like that. You go there here. You see
Here?
this level, yeah, this level,
Yes.
yeah, this level, it has been tested several times.
Yes.
So this is some kind of structure, and 1550, you can say 1550 zone is a strong zone. If it breaks out from this downward, it will definitely go to 1500 and then 1450 again. And
Hmm.
from there, I don't think so it will hold 1450 anymore. It will go down to 1395. That's what I think.
Yeah, I think so too. I think so too.
It will really go against what the retail traders are thinking at the moment. It will really kill a lot of
And they
positions.
respected our zone, which we had here, which was our take
Yes.
profit,
Yeah.
broke out. So they are dropping again. That would
Yeah.
make sense. Definitely. That would be
Exactly.
that would be
We,
making sense in my eyes too.
hmm.
All right. Great. Any setups?
from my side, I'm just following USD CAD and gold,
Okay.
and you can see, yeah, it's a choppy,
Euro
no
JPY.
setup. It's just a chop.
Yes.
It's not a,
Right.
cannot be a setup.
No. No.
It's just sideways. GBUSD is the only
Okay.
one
So
that will.
it's actually doing what we said it will do.
Yeah.
JBP on.
Check AUD USD maybe after this.
This? Which one?
AUD USD. AUD will be weak, so it will be sell on AUD USD after some time. But I would wait for it to go back to 0.6 handle. It will retest and come back.
What are you doing? Man. Breakout.
Yeah. It will break out, false breakout, and then it will come down.
Yes.
It will be a perfect setup for a sell. And 1 into 10, it would be something like that.
I think something like this will happen.
Yeah, I am expecting. It's a probable trade.
Yes. So this would be our take profit area.
Yeah.
I want to see what will happen here, but in my eyes, it's a clearly sell.
Yeah, because Australian dollar is weak.
Yes.
And if you can see, it is losing any kind of bull power, becoming choppy.
Yes.
And this one is just a bit of retracement, and it might fall even after now. But we cannot enter because there will be high probability of retest of the higher.
Maybe one last time in this area right about here.
Yeah.
So stop hunt or something like this. But this could also be a head and shoulders pattern.
The head is already inside, and the shoulder.
Yes, right shoulder.
The right shoulder is forming. Left shoulder is forming right now. Yeah, after the retest, it will for sure. I am really sure about this one. It will for sure. It will go slowly down, but it will go down.
Yeah.
Friday, they are going to. Their parliament is going to reconsider the voting on the coronavirus bill. Hence, I'm really looking forward to the Friday movement. Thursday night, the movements will start. So Thursday night, New York session will be very important.
On Friday.
Yeah, you can say Thursday night, and then the Friday will be a decisive one. But movements will start on Thursday night.
So it would be a confirmation for our setup.
Yeah.
Definitely.
Yeah, we have to watch this one out.
I will make a screenshot of it and post it in the group. Right, great. Great. New setup. This looks a little bit like odd USD.
One second, one second. One second, one second. Yes, okay. Odd USD,
Looks like a little bit of it, yes. The same.
you're saying a buy?
Oh, I would say a sell.
Yeah, it's a sell, but we need to have it retest because it did not retest.
Yes.
The third retest is there, you know. It is close, but it is not, it did not pushed up. Most probably it will, if you check the highest spike on the left side, it
This
will
one?
retest, yeah, this one. It will retest this zone. What
Yeah.
do you think?
Orders are here trapped. So I think this will happen too. Yeah.
Yeah, and you see a continuation on the right side as well, the same way.
Mm.
Yeah. And it will be an amazing opportunity if you ask. NZD, USD.
Interesting.
Yeah, because USD is stronger, NZD has is almost on a lockdown, just like London and everyone else. Hence, USD is not locked down. Like it is supporting. It's like Feds are supporting it, and fundamentally, New Zealand dollars is becoming weak. Not that US dollar is becoming strong, but this will support a good sell.
Mm-hmm.
In my eyes, it's a sell here.
In my eyes too. Yeah.
And but it will cross over. I think it will cross over this area, and it will go to 0.59 or 6, some 0.59 maybe, and
5-9.
then it, yeah, 0.59, and it
Yes.
will come back here. Yeah, yeah. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Yes, almost there.
I
Let's see.
think
It
so too.
might.
Yeah. Looks
Yeah,
pretty good in my eyes.
yeah, and it will be a good sell opportunity to 1:10 risk reward, or
We
let me
could check
try.
this out by tomorrow. I think tomorrow would be a good day for it.
Yeah, tomorrow I think Asian session will decide it,
Yeah.
and USD session will sell it.
For March. All right. Let's have a look if any other setup could be valid in the next few days, or maybe by today.
Yeah. AUD JPY is a sell. Fundamentally, it has a W, and then if you see there is a structure of resistance on the left side, and AUD has suffered a lot of loss on economy, um, and Japanese, if you use PMI numbers are good for March. So Japanese economy, even if you see equities today, all the Asian equities are up and European equity as well, including the US equities.
They're working right now, the high of the day. Broke out, so yes. Yes. I like this setup right about here pretty much because we saw this so often happening that I think this is a valid sell right now.
Right now, so we can
Right now,
enter.
yes. At least, let me take a look.
Gold already started to go down, 1590 and falling.
Nice.
I like it, the funny trap, you know.
Yes.
But I could already see everything on a sell. And yeah, my probable take profit on gold, if it had gone for a buy, crossing 1600, it already hit my TP1, 1619, and then the step TP2 was on 1702. So this was my Fibonacci. But it did not break out after the TP1 and it's just going down. Either it's just waiting for the 1550 zone or it will go further down. But I'm thinking it will stay out there, make a little bit of breakout until 15 from 1550 to 64, get more buyers and then fall down. It will not be just going down straight.
On gold.
Yeah, yeah.
Hmm.
And this
So,
time with higher spreads. This
wow.
is very funny.
Wow.
They think we
Stop
don't
loss,
know.
we would here and go for about
Right now, GB USD is
600
on.
pips.
Yeah.
Yes.
So it was AUD JPY, right?
Yes.
AUD JPY is a sell. It is on 13.2, 38.2 Fibonacci. It has retraced and a W formation, but yeah, wait, I'll check now. Currently, all the indicators are saying a buy. That means it will be a sell.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, you know, the problem with indicators is that they are always lagging.
Lagging, yeah.
So
It has.
I'm only using those DMAs for better confirmation or better entry. If I always see the low or the peak formation low was already made or this W formation was already made. So I wait for this crossover right about here, and those retests, you know, so I can get an entry with 10 to 20 pips stop loss and make then, I don't know, 50, 60 pips of profit. So I'm fine. So, and if my stop loss will be hit, well, then the next trade is coming and I make it plus the loss that I make, you know. So this is one method I'm using with market structure and the market makers method. Yeah.
So right now we can sell it from here and it's already selling.
Yeah, we can sell it from here, right?
66.0, yeah, stop loss on 66.056.
Yes. Or let's make 25 pips. So that's 66.100.
But why it's, I think it's trying to push up, but it won't be able to push much.
It's a safe sell.
I think so. Yeah, let's see.
All right.
I'm already
this webinar to our YouTube channel.
Yeah.
So we have only 4 minutes left.
Yeah.
Yeah, I would say thanks for tuning in. We will talk in our private group, bro. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, Please follow us, give us a like, share this video with your friends and your family and those ones who want to learn trading. This one is here, our social media channel for Telegram. Facebook, where we also show or share our analysis. You just can type in at Lika Capital. And we are also on Instagram.
Yeah. So you were saying a stop loss of how much? 14 pips?
25 pips.
25.
Yes.
It's calculating 125. Okay. It's calculating pips. So 25 pips would be around 66.106. You're saying
66.100 and 100. Yes.
Oh, it's making a rebound over our position. But let's say 66.100. Right now it's on a. Why JPY is weak today? It's some. Yeah, anyhow, we haven't checked. I'm looking for.
We are closing this webinar now.
Yeah, okay.
Thanks for tuning in.
See you.
Bye bye. Bye, bro.
Bye. Ciao.